When should you use a graph database? Imagine trying to find your way through a maze of interconnected roads where each turn leads to another, and the connections are constantly changing. That's what working with complex, highly connected data can feel like. Sometimes, traditional databases just aren't enough. So, when is it the right time to choose a graph database? If your data involves many-to-many relationships or hierarchical structures that need to be explored quickly, a graph database can be a game changer. Think about social networks where you want to see how friends are connected or how people are linked through shared interests. These databases excel at handling such connections because they store data as nodes and relationships, making traversal fast and straightforward. Real-time recommendations are another big reason to use a graph database. If you run an e-commerce site and want to suggest products based on what other customers have bought or viewed, a graph database can analyze those relationships instantly. It helps deliver personalized suggestions without slowing down your system. Managing user roles and permissions is often complex in large organizations. When you have many nested access rights and need to update them frequently, a graph database can handle this efficiently. It can quickly process recursive relationships, saving you time and reducing errors. Fraud detection is another area where graph databases shine. By analyzing transaction patterns and connections between accounts, devices, and locations, they can spot suspicious activity faster than traditional systems. This helps in catching fraud early and protecting your users. Network and IT operations also benefit from graph databases. Mapping servers, routers, and applications as interconnected nodes makes troubleshooting and impact analysis easier. If a server goes down, you can see how it affects other parts of your infrastructure immediately. When integrating data from multiple sources, creating semantic links between different entities can be tricky. Graph databases are flexible and allow you to build a connected data model that's easy to query and update. If your project involves complex, interconnected data where relationships matter just as much as the data itself, a graph database is a smart choice. They make traversing relationships simple and fast, especially when you need real-time insights or handle dynamic, recursive connections. For backend development, this means building APIs that can access and serve connected data efficiently, making your applications more responsive and scalable. So, think about using a graph database when your data is highly connected, your queries involve exploring relationships, and you need quick, real-time results. It's a powerful tool for making sense of complex data webs and building smarter, more responsive applications.